We think that in 2040 people will have more time because there will be new technologies that will perform the tasks that we do not like.
This means you will need that new technologies are environmentally friendly because we depend completely on the environment. They talk that in the future they will have to decrease pollution.
In 42,000, the world will be very different due to the technology development that have taken place in recent years. We have in will be better in every way.
Possibly there will be matches that make food without knowing food. We do not know consequence that this can bring to.
There are still 26 years. We may be feeling in what we think, but the natural resources we have now are few. Hopefully, in a few years this won't affect us, but instead we can have a better life quality.
Created using Powtoon.